A lesson from Hiroshima. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapit, pandasal muna tayo. As far as the eye can see, the atomic bomb flattened everything within a 1-mile radius in Hiroshima during World War II. Isipin nyo, parang buong BGC nawasak. Wala ni isang gusaling na tirang nakatayo. Wala kang makikita kundi durog na bato. But more than that, Hiroshima was also radioactive. How can you rebuild on radioactive ruin? Pero may isang picture na makikita ka sa Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum na nakakamangha. Larawan ito ng isang halaman na may bulaklak na bumunga sa wasak na kapaligiran nito. The caption reads, "That autumn in Hiroshima where it was said, 'For 75 years, nothing will grow,' new buds sprouted. In the green that came back to life among the charred ruins, people recovered their living hopes and courage." Scientists said it would take 75 years before things could grow in a radioactive environment. Pero noong August 6, 1945, pagkatapos nahulog ang bomba, sa loob lang ng ilang buwan, tumubo ang halaman na yon. Feeling mo ba imposible ang iyong sitwasyon? Isipin mo ang halaman na yan sa Hiroshima. Dahil walang imposible sa Diyos. Tayo magdasal. Lord, when I feel that everything is going against me, remind me that you are for me. Nothing is impossible for you. Amen.